How to delete search history on YouTube. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to delete your search history on YouTube. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to our history section right here on YouTube, which is this one right here. So just click on that, and then after that you'll be redirected here in your history section. So from here you will get to see all of the videos that you have previously watched on YouTube. So to clear all of this watch history on YouTube, what you want to do is just click on clear all watch history right here, and then from here it will now ask you if you want to clear your watch history. So just click on clear, and then there you go, your watch history has now been deleted. What you can also do is pause watch history. So basically what this does is that when you pause watch history and when you watch videos on YouTube, the videos that you have watched will not show here in the YouTube watch history. So for example, I'll just click on pause watch history right here. I'll just click on pause, and then let's say I will try to watch a video. So I'll just go back to the home page right here, and then for example, I want to watch this video right here. And then when I go to my history, as you can see, the video will not be listed here in my watch history. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to delete your YouTube watch history.